The Employment tab displays the employee's current employment status, payroll processing status, payroll status, and important effective dates. In the Employment Information section, you can verify or select the employee's employment status. Editing and processing a termination through something like the Employee Termination Wizard updates the employment status in this field automatically as well. When the employment status is active, a message to the right here of the field states Payroll Processing Status, Process Payroll. This means the employee is active for payroll processing. To see which employment statuses are defined as active for payroll processing, navigate to the Employee Status Codes table. A termination code selection is for an employee who is terminated. Termination processing populates this value, or it can be manually updated here if a mistake in the type of termination is made. Termination processing populates the termination date field, and rehire processing removes the termination date from the Employment tab. The rehireable checkbox can be marked during the termination processing to indicate that an employee is eligible for rehire. The Leave of Absence information section provides a quick look at an employee's recent leave of absence information generated from the Employee Attendance Details screen. If this employee is a temporary employee, verify or complete the fields in the Temporary Employment Information section, including the corporate name of the temporary employee staffing agency and the assignment start and end date. The Effective Dates section records dates used for benefit eligibility, qualification, and reporting. The original hire date is used for reporting purposes and for determining an employee's qualification for benefits. This date should reflect the first day of employment. The adjusted hire date can be used for determining length of service for benefit hours accrual calculations. This date may be the same as the original hire date, the rehire date, or an agreed upon date between the employee and the company. A company might use the adjusted hire date when an employee is transferred from one company to another in order to recognize longevity. The probation end date should reflect the ending date for a new employee's probationary period according to the company's policies. Benefit service date should reflect the start date for benefits according to your company's policies and benefit plans. This date is used to establish eligibility in benefit calculations. A date in the W-4 signed field verifies a signed W-4 is on file for this employee. This database entry does not qualify as a replacement record for the signed and dated W-4 required by federal regulatory guidelines. The pension date signifies the pension eligibility start date for the employee. Pension rules should be verified for regulatory compliance. In the Benefit Profile class section, verify the selected benefit profile. If it is incorrect, change it. Then go to the Employee Benefits Detail screen and verify the employee's benefit plans.